looks like a dress shirt, a black dress shirt. But this is size small, and I think it's a little long. As you can see, the sleeves goes to about my thumbs almost. And but it's pajamas, so, and this is the smallest size they have. I could always get this hemmed, but it's a pajama. It's a little long here. I wear 29 inseam, but yeah, it's a little long and baggy, as you can see here. But enough for my ugly feet. Yeah, I think it looks cool. Looks nice. This is the black linen with the 2 pockets here. And let's see what my mom thinks about it. What do you think? You like it? Does it look nice? Now you got the whole outfit now. Just need this need to wear on the, I got these socks I got from using their promo code. I don't remember what the promo code was, but I might put it in the description if it's still running. But you don't want to wear socks when you're sleeping. That's just kind of weird, unless it's hella cold. But if it's cold, then you should turn up your room heater or something. English.
It's looking good.
Looking good?
Yeah.
You want one? Anyways, I don't really know what the difference between this and something that costs, you know, $50 or, you know, a quarter of the price of what Desmond and Dempsey would be, but it doesn't have the customer service, I'm pretty sure, like they do, or the brand to back it up, versus, you know, you get something just brand Chinese that's no one working at the company. Besides a few things like this that could just be cut off, I think I can do another review in like a few more months and see how I like it still. So stay tuned. I'll be wearing this every night when I go to sleep. Cheers.